As a department chair or program director, you will need to approve, deny, or acknowledge a student's major, minor concentration request. To do this, you will receive an email from notify@ngwebsolutions.com. When you receive this email, click the link to be brought to the online form. Any student request to retain or delete a major, minor, or concentration should be acknowledged. Any student request to add a major, minor, or concentration should be approved or denied. Here you will see the student's information. In this request, the student is asking to add a history major and retain a sociology major. I am acting as the history department. I will scroll down to find my section of the form. You will only be able to complete your section of the form. In this example, I will approve the student's addition of a history major. If you would like to route to your administrative assistant to assign an advisor, click the box that says route to admin assistant for advisor, or you can put the advisor's name in the advisor box. This is only applicable for additions of majors. Click to sign and type your name exactly as it appears. Click sign electronically. Once I hit submit form, the form will then route to the next department in the approval process. In this example, it will route to the sociology department for them to acknowledge the retention of the major. You can then save this PDF for your records or save the email for your records.